Guyana next year. Blood clot trouble. Want to save up on the money, yeah? I'm forwarding.
The only difference with Janelle Broomfield is that her man happens to run for the opposite team. And him wrong, me not stop saying for come repeat what was spoken in private. But the girl, you not go jump up. Oh, she left the dirty man out. No man a beat you now and not left him. Some man a beat you in the house and not left him. So on vex with the girl as a person who represent in a country because of because of her boyfriend. What? And then she black because of her boyfriend. And then she burn up because of her boyfriend. Make it make sense to me. We don't need to change. It have to stop. It have to stop. It can't continue. It can't be that something happen and the girl just black all of a sudden and she burn up and she represent on a country on a large scale like that. Oh, Janelle Broomfield get for black all of a sudden. Make she didn't run this year round. Win up. Be a medal for no. She no bother black. You never know. She wouldn't bother black because her sound stay. Una only want to support people when them fight out through the mud and the muck and make it to a place. Una want claims and say, oh yeah, she's Jamaican.